I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you. Let me be your shield.
Yeah. It's just you, me, and the odds. We stuck together, we two peas in a pod. You dealt a bad hand, I'm there seizing the cards. We'll never be separated till we seeing the gods. We've been low together, high forever. Long as we go together, we'll die whenever. Be your light, couldn't let the darkness try you ever. Truth in my word, you I lie to never. And when the world gets a little too hard, wipe your eyes, put away your sorrow. When it's war, I'll be leading the charge, and I'll be still fighting for you tomorrow. Yeah, even with a blindfold or in different time zones, could find my way to you with my eyes closed. There's nothing between us. Go to Mars or Venus, stand in front of every one of them rocks they slinging and be your shield.
Be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you.
I'll defend you
from all these arrows, and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Hello, we are back. We are going on a surf trip with my friends. Super excited. We're in Haneda Airport in Tokyo right now. We are on the way to Krui. We got a long travel day ahead of us, but it's gonna be sick.
First time surf trip.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
なんか言って、Say something.
Let's go Krui.
We've got around 6 to 8 hours riding in this car. There's not much to stop and eat, so we're probably just gonna try to get straight there. It's hot. It's kind of packed in here, but super happy to be here in Korea. We're back. Let's go. 6 hours. Banana 食べてるだよ。
They got water in here?
We have arrived. Oh, that's out. I feel like he's gonna kick me. I'm probably gonna headbutt me with those things. We had a long day yesterday. We had 2 planes and then a long layover and then a long car ride, but we arrived and we're so happy because the waves are looking so good out there. So we made it to Krui. We're at the Mandir Beach Club Villa. It's a beautiful place, but we're gonna go for a surf now. So get ready.
Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Whoa, giant to a maggot, big boss status. Ain't gon' lie, I really wish they would like a cabin. I ain't do no frontin', get my money on the back end. Yesterday's price ain't today, now we taxing. Way out the fear, ain't no way out for me. They always told me I'm the wave, like I'm way out. And see, I know some real ones turn state, ain't no way I could be out here living like a villain, only way up for me. Moving out the purges, I give time if it was worth it. If you coming for my fam, then you know I take it personal. Say that you the GOAT, I asked around, I never heard of you. Rocky road ahead and there's some things I had to hurdle. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, windows down so all the haters see me. Back then they didn't want me, now they wanna beat me. Keep the grass cut low, cause them snakes still sleazy. Always knew I had to glow, I just had to find a reason. Walk around looking like I own the place. I don't waste no food, man, I always finish off the plate. Ain't come to play, trenches baby, can't believe we made it safe. Something out of nothing, yeah we made a way. So hungry, think I overate. Every single shot, then I'm thinking John Wick. Every loss got a lesson, every make got a miss. I can't even think of a man that had me terrified. We got options, pick your poison or just pick a side. Pick a side, pick your poison.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What happened, Sky?
Kinda couldn't stop myself on the reef. The reef here is quite gnarly, so I kinda kind of died a little bit. But I'm okay. I'm used to it. It's part of it. But we did have a good session, so.
マスクさせて、マスクさせて、マスクさせて。
行くよ。行くよ。行くよ。
大丈夫、大丈夫。
これだけね。
これだけ、これだけ。
絶対
これだけ絶対絶対。
オッケーオッケーオッケ
意外といけるでしょ。
あ、大丈夫そう。
ほら。
ー。やばい。
やろうぜ。
じゃあもうないからさ、こういう感じでさ、こすりつけていいですか？
ね。
Priya?
I'm gonna put a jellyfish on Raiha's head.
ね。オーシャン。
マジやばいからオーシャン見て。
Look what happened.
There, do the cut there. So 30, we're gonna do 30-minute heat, yeah? And then so first wave, 1 point or more, yeah? 1 point more, you're gonna go out, get out of the water, run around us and go back. Second wave, 2 points or more, yeah? Run around us all the way as far as you can for 30 minutes. 3 with the lowest scores are gonna run to that tree that's standing up and back as a penalty, yeah? Best 3 or 6. We're gonna do 1 heat, yeah? 30 minutes.
I flush my drinks down in the club. I always keep that shit on top. My piece looks like a disco ball. I dance like I don't give a fuck. I flush my drinks down in the club. I always keep that shit on top. My piece looks like a disco ball. I dance like I don't give a fuck.
結構最初の方は上げたけど、
最後下がってない
こっちが低くしたやん。でも間から行ったよ、間行った。しょうがない、4人がいて、みんな番号出した。で、真ん中行った。今日のジャッジ。
We are at a river right now and we're gonna go tubing. Super excited. Look at this place. Beautiful. We're gonna go on a little hike, I think, and then yeah, go tubing.
キャップ誰？
かっこー。
危ない、ここにアフリカゾウが。
We arrived to our destination.
And then we just gotta walk a bit?
Yeah, I think we're going on a little hike. I don't really know, but I know we're at our destination.
カナスカリー。
Jungle Master.
ジャンゴや。
Go.
pumping the tubes up so we can go on the river and go tubing. Super. I'm excited for that. Excited to get in the water. It's very hot.
Krui vibes.
Jungle vibes.
Jungle vibes.
Down again. Go back to your heels, stretching through your chest. Inhale, exhale, switch your hands in front of your legs. We're gonna be here. From this position, I'm gonna do the side entrance to your right. Go. 1, 2, roll. Go. 1, 2, roll back. Over, down, facing. Open again. Open again. To the other side. Down. 3, 2, 1. Your neck. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, here. Thank you. Bye-bye. Go.
Thank you so much.
Good morning. We just finished gymnastica. It was really good, and now we're on the way to the beach. We're gonna go to the beach rig. We're trying to figure out which way, but we're going to the beach again and get some barrels. Yeah.
やばいね、超やばいのやりたかね、こんぐらいの。やばない。落とそうかな。Let's go. 5.5. And then normal boat.
Is this your barrel board?
No barrel board. Air. Air. Air.
Say what it be, I know the king, follow his lead, repeat after me. I know they lurking, this serpent is circling, but I never worry, cause he got the keys, he let it bleed. Never put me on the freeze, just look how he spit it to me. It'll be out of right after I seek. You can't make the promise unless you the king. Jay with a baby, I am what he made me. No, you cannot say me, so it's for the birds. Buy for a price, you ain't know what it's worth. He not letting go like his grandmama purse. Rolling with heavy, he feeling kinda discouraged, cause he feeling down in the dirt. I told him heavy, you only need faith, cause Yeshua already did all the work. Life or death, this life is best. I'd rather see the vision complete instead of the speed to find regret. You gotta breathe so you can be free, so you never need the ice and checks. This be my plea, I lost my debt. I gotta cheese, I found my flex. I gotta be, I gotta breathe, I gotta breathe. Keep moving. Drive, keep it moving.
Just got done with a surf session. Now we're on the way to go skating.
It's unusual how pain can make you glad. Pain can make you pain can make you breathe. We on the way, talk about legacy, legends right next to me. Don't need it, check out the AG and Addy. Come with the beef and we serving the patties. Check out the verbs if it's getting chatty. You gotta move, but ain't gotta prove that you out in the front. You do what you do when you ain't gotta stunt. Cause humble is up and the proud gotta punt. 4th and 10, if you wanna win, best put me in. I got the shooters that's ready to spin. They come with the king and he know how to win. He come to your team and he do it again. Rain to sleep, when the sun is at its peak. Gotta keep moving my feet until my journey is complete. Capiche? On my drive, keep it moving, hit the gas, yeah. On to the next play, no dwelling in the past, yeah. It's unusual how pain can make you glad. Pain can make you pain can make you breathe. We on the way, talk about legacy, legends right next to me. Don't need it, check out the AG and Addy. Come with the beef and we serving the patties. Check out the verbs if it's getting chatty. You gotta move, but ain't gotta prove that you out in the front. You do what you do when you ain't gotta stunt. Cause humble is up and the proud gotta punt. 4th and 10, if you wanna win, best put me in. I got the shooters that's ready to spin. They come with the king and he know how to win. He come to your team and he do it again. Rain to sleep, when the sun is at its peak. Gotta keep moving my feet until my journey is complete. Capiche? Keep moving.
だきます。
いただきます。いただきます。
いただきます。
So we're on the ferry now. We finished a long car drive. It was like 6 hours, so I'm pretty sure we were in the car for like 10 hours. And now we're on this ferry on the way to Jakarta, and then we can get to the airport there and then head to the Philippines. That's our next stop. But yeah, this is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you tune in for the next ones. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.
Bye vlog. Bye vlog. Bye vlog. Bye vlog.